Now we need to install Visual Studio ID. So we go in this link, we click in free download, and we wait for download to finish. Once it is done, we go ahead and we click in continue, and let's wait a little. Okay, we are going to select desktop development with C++. We only need this, but if you want, you can choose other settings. Now that our environment for C++ is ready, let's create an Hello World application with Visual Studio ID. I'm going to call it console application, save it in desktop, and that is it. And here it is, our Hello World application. And let's hit in the run button, so check if it works. As you can see, hello world appears in this command prompt. So yeah, it works. Nice, we are ready to make C++ with Visual Studio. Make sure you watch the next episode so you can learn how to build and code a window with GLFW and Glue. Thank you for watching and see you.